Hey guys, I'm Shanna with LifefulAndFrugal.com. This week we have experienced record-breaking lows, sleet and snow here in Northeast Louisiana, and tomorrow we are expecting an ice storm. So we are preparing by making a big pot of a Louisiana classic, chicken and sausage gumbo. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe for chicken and sausage gumbo. I know that a lot of the country is experiencing really crazy cold temperatures right now, so I hope that you stay safe and cozy and warm at home. And let us know in the comments what you're making to stay warm and cozy at your house during this crazy winter weather. Again, if you like what you see, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for y'all. God bless y'all from the sisters of lifefulandfrugal.com.